Hello students, welcome to Speaking One. My name is Miss Vanisha Anggraini and I'm your tutor in this course. For the first session, we are going to talk about personal preference by using the word likes and dislike. Beside that words, there are several words we are using in expressing likes and dislike. For example, we can use the word love, hate, prefers, and etc. In Model 1, you can read more various examples of like and dislike in personal preference. And you can watch the video provided in your e-learning to practice more about that expression. And don't forget to participate actively in our group discussion. Enjoy your learning. Good luck.